Category of the year, sponsored by GTC, and I'd like to invite up Justina Ivan to help give this award away.
And we have also 3 nominees in this category, and these are Corners for Kids, Hamleys, and SMYK, Cały dla małych.
Oh, another small short list. So welcome, welcome, and thank you for helping us give out this award. She has the...
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Kids Retailer of the Year. Congratulations, SMYK.
Welcome and congratulations.
Thank you very much for this award. Thank you to the jury. It's a great year for us because it's 40th year this year of SMYK. I know it's hard to imagine from 1 store to almost 300 stores this year. And thanks to the customers. Thank you all, and thank you to our employees. Really appreciate it. It's a special year for us and a special reward. We have, I think, 3 of them recently over last years. So thank you, appreciate, and have a lovely evening. Thank you.
Congratulations, thank you.
Congratulations, and come join us for a photo. No, we're good. We'll put you in the middle.